Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a reliable control point in the host and the linked model. This is critical because shared coordinates rely on a consistent reference. Link the model now using Insert Link Revit, then do not move the linked instance. Once linked, reveal the survey and project base points so you can see offsets. Make sure both files are set to the same units and that the project base point is unlocked if you need to adjust it. This reduces misalignment later. With the link visible, select the linked Revit model and choose Manage Coordinates Acquire Coordinates from the host. This transfers the link's coordinate origin into the host. Once acquired, check the site plan and spot elevations to confirm alignment. If numbers differ, undo and verify the control point choice. After a successful acquire, optionally use Manage Coordinates, Publish Coordinates from the host to push the shared coordinates back into other linked files or consultants, ensuring everyone uses the same survey point and rotation. Finish by verifying coordinates with spot elevations and the survey point in both host and linked models. You should see identical X, Y, and rotation values. If things are off, unlock the project base point or survey point, correct the control marker in the source model, reload the link, and reacquire coordinates. Make sure to purge duplicate published coordinates by reloading or relinking. This often solves persistent offsets. Remember, minor rotations cause large offsets at distance, so always check rotation as well as origin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.